Dasserghi Kernewek. Ragdres o Meris orth bledhenio a var and Dasserghins Kernewek ew. In Arbenic, dre huithra paperio gezis, gans tees kepaha, Henry Jenna. Kenza Barthmere Kerno, had Dilor and Kenza Liver, Ragdeski and Tavis. Sam Rain ha Mark Trethewey, a Ra Kessa Berry, the Guntal Warbarth, and Pithreba Kevis. The Pennseythen Kernewek, Davydh ha Seitek, Eva Wovednus orth Kernewek Orion, the Veris orth Scrifo ha Litherio, Againa, the Leveril Agathibianso ha Bruz Warnether.
And Gainey, Meriu. Yeah.
Efo glwys, mae Tesyn mynd o'r cysyn hagin
Pandra Woddydd a dro the Henry Jenner, as woneth Pyriew ev?
Well, mi aswan ev the sgrifa Dawn Liver Iaith Kernewek in 1954. Mi war ev the drigger in St. Column, just Vanny Bunes, mes ever aberes unwedd in Liver va Prydenec in Lindres.
Itho henw myr, ti o'r myr drodd ddod. As a two serol in Kerno in dyddio na, o Cowsel Kernewek, a grisydd G.
Wasa an Dawn Liver and Kinsa Bresla nor V, sydd esa Tys Kepaha, Robert Morton Nance, ha Gerald, ha Morden ha Jenna, o the Lathas and Goseth Kerno ha Gwythus Kerno Corth ha Tactwan Parna.
If it's a ran yaith, mes enno Kernewek in Brioneth, mes heb Jenner, Mortesen, ni vif Kernewek cases, Kepara cases lemon.
A rysoch we redia Pogtrelia nepith gans Jenner, heddiw?
Nia degameres copio dwarth paperis Jenner. If there's a baddoniaeth sgriffis in Kernewek gans Jenner I honen. If there's a dow can Manowek Printis well they want mer nether often they have the Regium Manowek.
Oh, and drunken sailor pwn nepith am
if there's a nepith the drunken beggar ha nepith awol Henry's Jacob's ladder ag mi rig whithwa walrinan ha if there's a nebys cano and pan na is just in diwether in Lone Siglas Cansbythen in an Asaya Gweither and Tavis Manowek in few Jeffen Leia a dis as a Cowsel Manowek.
Well, per the lesu henna, Dreffen Bos Henry Jenner o Thesaya Recordia Cano Celtic, Brag Gweither and Yetho Celtic in few ha Dasserghi Kernewek der Cano itho Henry and sample da.
Agni in Deithio Ma, Calisu Dismegi Pu O, Hamiris Orth I Scriff, Nepith Ragni the Diski Nepith in Igeva.
Maraz, ha as a chance these the redia lether po Nepith Scriffis gans Jenner.
Is that me arug redia and lether ma ha del debav ev o den neb o evo loen the wells and youth o brass he in terminal there as Gunwedd ev o freth in Bretonic.
Yeah, per scantalo, I've had per galazu that this migi fatalo the Thalith, Kernewek havil yeth causis in didio na, hep den vitharol enna. Well, there's nepithadro the Henry Jenner kins heddiw?
Nebonum pure vern rac Kernewek or drafen bos f the recordius mira gerio mira lavaro in Kernewek.
Jenna a re Kelsel Kernewek nansiu cans blethen, han ins essa mira dees a dead dro, o clapia and tavus. A thol fatal ew gans Kernewek Orion and deddio ma, as could dino thither, usia and tavus.
Purgales rag is of the Trigis in Somerset, ha ninzas nabonan the council. Ninzas yethan waren, resu them and gosloweth os radio and Genowegva po redia anganas ha.
There's ninzas mur in Kernewek ragos. Tu Breton, tu gaus Bretonic in Wales.
Yeah, so but pisiu cales you ninthorf vi outriga in Kerno, iso ninthur es Kewsel Kernewek in Fenor, betekens ma in Breton vi han Kernewek Orion potus azis Kernewek in West, mes ni gaus of lower Kernewek.
Tu Mary, who is lower rag Kowsel Kernewek ragos po
Ninzu es pure galas drefen mea drig Augusta Care Grant in Treveglos Bien Ninzu Nabonan Kewsel Kernewek. Mes in Fusek me gavas benin arrow hahi Dasserghi Kernewek.
Who is ragbos Kernewek?
Moi es ragov drafen is as of o triga in Pennseythen in Kerno West. Emma moi coethas ha da you genev cana in Kernewek.
Wartueth and Paperio Jenna, a vith gweithis in Resruth, than Grezon Kerno knoweth. Sal deg mildir the worth and tiller ma, lay my trigger ev, ha merwell.